Second one is scan mode with DMA. So I told you scan mode can handle multiple channels, more than one channel. So here you can see there are two channels applied to multiplexer. This is the multiplexer. So I am using two channels. Let us say this is channel number 6 and channel number 7. And then I am taking this into the ADC or connecting this to the ADC. And the ADC will, because this is a continuous scan mode, it will continuously perform the analog to digital conversion. So after it perform the conversion, there will be a result, digital data result. So this data must be stored into some memory. So for example, this is the ADC value register array. So this is the array number 2, you can see here. So it means it has a 3-bit value. You can also call this a 0:2. Okay, so I need to transfer the result to this array, but I cannot do that with the help of CPU. So I am sending the DMA request to this DMA controller, and the DMA controller, I also activate this DMA controller in circular mode. And then this DMA controller is helping this ADC to transfer the data from ADC to this register or this memory. So this is what happening here in this scan mode with DMA operation. So ADC is in the continuous scan mode, and it will continuously perform the analog to digital conversion. The ADC result will be moved from ADC data register, to ADC value array. This is the ADC value array by using DMA. So let us see here now. Everything else is the same. So now I am opening the ADC. In the ADC, I am going to use two channels. In the previous example, watchdog mode, I used only in 6. Now I am using in 6 and in 7. Two channels I'm using because now we are exploring multiple channels in the scan continuous mode. And then what's happening, once after I enable this, you can see here in this pin diagram. The pin diagram, I am also enabling these two pins, PS6 and PS7, because I clicked here. So ADC, this is the ADC1 I'm using. The ADC1 pin number 6 and pin number 7 is used for input, receiving the input. So, and of course, I am setting up two output pins as well. So pin number 8 in the port B, PB8 and PB7 for two LEDs. That is for yellow LED and this is for green LED. So that is okay. And then I go to the clock configuration, or I go to configuration. The configuration, I click this ADC1, and if I need to enable disable something, I need to do that. So under the configuration of ADC, I go to parameter settings. I'm checking here, everything is okay. So here you can see here, I set up the number of conversion is 2, and these all are I think already default, and the continuous conversion mode is enabled, and scan conversion mode is enabled, because now we are in the scan continuous conversion mode. So these both are enabled. And then the number of conversion is 2, because we are using two channels, and you can see here channel 6 and channel 7. So I can set the rank priority level 1 and priority level 2. And I can also set up the sampling time to the maximum value. So you don't need to really worry about what value I should check. So if you click here, you will see the drop down menu, and this is the maximum sampling time of this channel 6, and this is the maximum sampling time of channel 7. So everything else is kind of very straightforward. You can change the mode and everything. And now go to the DMA settings. Remember, now we are talking about scan mode together with the DMA. So in the DMA settings, you can see ADC channel, and here we are moving the data from peripheral to memory. So and then if you are so remember also you have to create this, or you have to select this DMA under the circular mode, because I mentioned here you have to enable this DMA into circular mode. So that is also, you have to enable this circular mode and then click OK, and then you can generate the C code. So then everything's okay. So now we had seen the so far how to configure the analog to digital converter in polling mode, watchdog mode, and then scan continuous mode together with the DMA.